Welcome back. And you know, some of your donations to a local nonprofit are now in the hands of a researcher in New York. The research grant is in memory of Lisa Quinn and in honor of Kelly Davis, the two co-founders of the NWA Masquerade. Now, the goal is finding treatments that will make a difference for the future of metastatic breast cancer patients. 4029's Allison Wise takes us into that New York lab.
Dr. Jill Barganetti with City University of New York was presented the 2021 Advisors Award from Mediviver to continue her research for stage 4 breast cancer. Mediviver, a national nonprofit, gives 100% of its proceeds in the form of research grants.
For the general audience, it may seem like it happened overnight. It doesn't generally happen overnight. We're building on other people's discoveries and our own discoveries.
Dr. Jill Barganetti's research focuses on the P53 gene and how its mutation can contribute to the spread or metastasis of breast cancer cells. She looks at low dosage treatments and how those work.
How could people get treatments that would not have high dosing, that would have lower dosing, that they could live more fulfilled lives without being so sick from a treatment?
Stage 4 breast cancer is cancer that started in the breast but spread to other parts of the body. Treatments that work for people vary widely. Many patients, like Lisa Quinn, go through several different treatment options, even dozens.
Cancers gain resistance and maybe something works for a little while and then it doesn't work anymore.
Barganetti says that's why targeted research and the push for more funding from nonprofits like Mediviver is important. She says because scientists and scholars can get grants that are more specific to their field of study versus what they can get from federal funding.
With that targeted money, it's like, okay, what question can I ask that's really a question that's targeted at improving this person's life who has metastatic breast cancer?
Her focus is on the science, but it's the impact that her P53 research could have on new medical discoveries or treatments. That's at the forefront of her mind.
And in the realm of helping humanity, asking questions that potentially can help a large group of people to live better lives. Things that we never thought were going to work are starting to work. So I have, this real hope that we are going to just come so much further. So yes, I think about the human element all the time.
Allison Wise, 4029 News.
Now, trying to extend the life of metastatic breast cancer patients was also Lisa Quinn's goal before her death last year. Lisa tried 22 different treatments, including some clinical trials. Paige.